Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a canvas sized for your final output and enabling drawing guides immediately. This is faster than resizing later. Once done, switch the guide type to perspective so Procreate generates a grid tied to vanishing points. You then choose 1, 2, or 3-point perspective depending on the scene. Move each vanishing point with a 2-finger drag to align horizons and sight lines. Doing this now saves time when sketching. It fixes proportion and depth before you draw. Next, make the perspective layer active and enable drawing assist for that layer so your strokes snap to the grid automatically. This lets you sketch accurate converging lines without constant erasing. Use quick line and hold to create perfect straight edges. While held, tap snapping to lock them to the vanishing points. Once your basic structure is complete, lock this reference layer, then create separate layers for inking, color, and textures so you can edit without disturbing the perspective guide. To finish, refine your drawing by adding separate overlay layers for shadows and highlights, which keeps values consistent with the perspective. Make sure to export as PSD if you want to preserve layers and the perspective reference. Flatten only for final JPG or PNG. If something looks off, don't panic. Check that the perspective layer hasn't moved, reset vanishing points, or duplicate the reference and rebuild problem areas on a new layer. That quick reset typically fixes misalignment without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.